Hi, welcome. My name is Charlie Hawk. I work on the sales team here at Cetec ERP. Today, I will be showing you our new feature, our packing slip and PO documents automatically uploading to a Google Drive, which will then be scripted to be looked through and taken into your Cetec instance to then be assigned to different POs for documents, whether that be packing slips or certificates of conformance or anything else like that. The first step, you are going to want to find a scanner that automatically uploads to a Google Drive. As of right now, specifically, it has to be Google Drive. We don't support the Outlook drives, the Microsoft drives, or anything like that. It has to be a Google Drive. In this case, we have this Epson ES-580W. And then we have here our mock packing slip. As you can see, you also are going to want to indicate the PO number here as well as the order number there. Once we do this, we are going to put this into our scanner, and then we are going to select our destination, ensure that it is going to our Google Drive, and then we will go ahead and scan. Once the scan is completed, we will see in the following steps that it is correctly uploaded to our Google Drive, and then from there, we will watch the magic happen. Thanks.
Click the Integrate Google Drive button to connect your Google Drive account. Select the desired email address. If this pop-up appears, click Advanced. Click the Go to Unsafe link to proceed to the application. I assure it is safe. Click the Continue button to proceed with granting access. After integration, your My Profile screen should reflect this regarding your Google Drive. Click the New button to create a new file or folder. Click the New Folder button to create a new folder. Title the folder and create. Click on the folder to open it. Through the same process, create a folder called Processed. After scanning our PO at the beginning of this demo, we will search for our example invoice, Invoice 893. Click the Documents button to view attached documents. And our packing slip has automatically matched to our invoice. Our unmatched documents will fill into Doc Uploads, where we can assign to their rightful place. Our queue looks like this. Remember, if there are any questions, please reach out to our support team and we would be happy to help.